The High Commissioner of India is Excellency Sri Katyagan, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Assistant Minister, trustees of India Friendship Forum, the President and executives of India-Fiji Friendship Forum, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka. Bula Vinaka, and welcome. Welcome to the 2022 Holy Milan celebrations. Holy Hai Bai, Holy Hai, Burana Mano, Holy Hai. And I'm very happy to be here today amongst you all to celebrate the Festival of Colors, Holi. Celebrations have been rare over the past 2 years, thanks to the COVID pandemic. But that makes the celebrations we can have more precious. Together we have overcome the challenges thrown our way by the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have a right to be happy. So let us seize the happy times we have before us. That makes those first words I pronounce to you, don't feel bad, it's Holi. Very special indeed. For how can anyone feel bad at a time like Holi? It brings me great joy to be able to deliver my message in person today. Somehow a virtual Holi celebration would seem a bit empty. Holi brings people together, and the fun comes from mingling with our neighbors and being doused with colors, even by perfect strangers. Holi is definitely one of my favorite festivals in the Hindu calendar. The beautiful and vibrant colors, the merrymaking, the singing and the dancing. The beauty behind Holi celebration is that the different colors, when combined, cross all barriers and come together to be equal, to find peace and spread happiness. Colors do not judge or discriminate among the people playing with them, and neither should the people applying these colors. Rich or poor, powerful or humble, beautiful or homely, we are all the same, all in one, and all one. That is one of the things that make Holi special for Fiji. We have become one nation, one Fijian people. We don't take our unity for granted. We build it, we nurture it, and fight for it when it is threatened. Our unity is truly our strength, and I am grateful for it every day. Holi celebrations have been part of Fiji for 143 years, ever since the first indentured laborers arrived. Over the decades, the festival has spread across different communities, schools and workplaces, and become a national celebration, enjoyed by all Fijians. And we share the joy of the festival with our tourists and visitors, as we saw in the Momi Bay Resort celebrations earlier, because Holi is truly ours. The Holi festival signifies the beginning of spring, when nature rejuvenates and plants and seedlings start to bloom again. There is nothing more beautiful and inspiring than new beginnings. And if the magic of new beginning is not enough, then the vibrant colors of this celebration truly remind us all how beautiful life is. Fiji is ready for its new beginning as well. In fact, we have already taken off on our new beginning by opening up our international borders and reviving the Fijian economy. The Fijian government is committed to being stronger than ever after the pandemic and building a modern, diverse, and sustainable economy. As India prepares to celebrate its 75th year of independence, the Indian High Commission is organizing a number of events around Fiji to mark the 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Mr. High Commissioner, I wish you the very best. Finally, I wish to commend the India-Fiji Relationship Forum, the Friendship Forum, which has just introduced a special award, I understand, to acknowledge the work of individuals who have made a difference for all. It is given in the spirit of national unity, and I thank you for it. The award is called Bharat Viti Maitri Award, the India and Fiji Friendship Award. With warm and appreciation in my heart for this celebration, I urge you all to let the festivity of Holi continue all year round. May the beauty of the colors played today last until next year when we get together to celebrate again. I wish you all once again a happy Holi, and may the colors of Holi make every aspect of your life more beautiful and precious. Namaste and thank you. God bless you.